And I always promised myself that whenever I got this opportunity, I would raise the first and foremost, the most important question about when anyone in the Western world blasphemes our Prophet, peace be upon him, it is a failure of the OIC that we have not been able to explain to the Western countries that the love and affection that we feel for our Holy Prophet, that how he lives in our hearts. It was up to us to explain to the Western people that the amount of pain they cause us when they ridicule or mock our Holy Prophet. And we must know that in the West, people do not treat religion the way we Muslims